Hi! In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use Outlook drafts as templates in shared email templates for Outlook. We added this new feature to the beta 2 version of the add-in. So we'll need to create an Outlook folder, save drafts to this folder, grant access to the folder to our teammates, and then connect it to shared email templates. Together, we'll go through all the steps in this video. So step 1 is to create an Outlook folder. Right-click the root Outlook folder or any subfolder and select New folder. Name the folder and press the Enter key. Step 2 is to create a draft. We go to the Home tab and click New email. We enter some subject, an email address to CC, some text, a signature, we insert a company logo and attach a couple of files. Click the Exit button and say Yes. By default, Outlook saves drafts to the Drafts folder. So we stand on the Drafts folder, right-click the draft and pick the Move option. And select the folder that we will link to shared email templates. As we are going to share the templates, now we have to grant access to this folder in Outlook to a colleague. Right-click the folder and select Properties. We open the Permissions tab and click the Add button right here. In the Add Users dialog window, we find the Outlook account of our teammate, click the Add button and then hit OK. Now we are to select the permission level. We stand on the name of the colleague, open the permission level drop-down list and pick Reviewer. By the way, the Reviewer permission level allows other people to only see our Outlook folder and use its drafts in shared email templates. If you want them to be able to edit your drafts, you can select higher permission levels. And important, please don't forget to carry out the same procedure with all the parent folders, including your Outlook mailbox. Otherwise, your colleagues won't see the folder you have just granted them access to. So we right-click the root folder of our mailbox and pick Folder Permissions. We simply check the folder visible box for our colleague. This permission level is sufficient for him to only see the folder structure, but not its contents. So we have created a folder, a draft, placed the draft into the folder and granted access to this folder to our colleague. And the final step, we're going to link the Outlook folder to shared email templates. Create a new message and run shared email templates. We can link an Outlook folder to our private My Templates folder or to a team. If we connect it to a team, our teammates will be able to use our Outlook drafts. So we right-click the team and select Connect Outlook folder. We pick the folder and hit Select. So here is our folder and the template. We can see the linked folder by the blue folder icon with the letter O, which stands for Outlook. That's it. Now I can log in to shared email templates as my colleague John. And here is the linked Outlook folder in the team. The draft that I created is available as a template, and I can insert it into a message with a click. Guys, in this video I've used the beta 2 version of shared email templates. The tool is still a work in progress. In the future something may change, but basically it will stay the same. Our goal was to develop a simple tool for creating and sharing templates in Outlook. If you have any comments or requests, please let us know. Looking forward to your feedback.